You learn a lot when you are looking at the flowers and birds and winds. Winds sometimes remind me as if my mom or my dad just passed by me and they touched my shoulder. When I feel the wind, I feel their presence around me. That's comforting. So when I look at the flowers, they always give me a message that how life begins and then it blooms and then it ends and then new flowers come out. So there are many things that I enjoy, and I look at the birds and I see how they are looking for their food. They always come and they eat their food and they don't take extra with them. They just leave it and they go. It amazes me. I always connected with nature when I go out and I look at the blue sky. I feel the wind on my face and I see colorful flowers and greenery around me. It always takes me to somewhere else. I feel comfort and I feel calm. I really enjoy it. It takes me into deep my thought. It just takes me away from my worries and it takes me into another world. I always look and enjoy the difference or uniqueness of everything, every situation, every object. It's all around you, and it amazes me how many different types of emotions, situations, objects are there. It amazes me how different flowers together make a different impression and give you a different happiness. The colors and the smell and the shape, they all matter. When I'm lonely, when I'm sad, I always look at the flowers, the colors and the calmness they offer. It really soothes me, it comforts me. It connects me with my past, with my childhood. मैं पाकिस्तान में पंजाब में बड़ी हुई हूँ. I was fortunate enough to experience village life. वहाँ पे बड़े बड़े से फार्म होते हैं जिन पे आप जाते हैं और बहुत बड़े बड़े शेडी ट्रीज जिसके ऊपर वो स्विंग डाल के और आप स्विंग कर रहे होते थे, और वहाँ पे कोई पंखे, कोई बिजली कुछ नहीं होती थी, लेकिन सारी कभी गर्मी नहीं लगी. इतना छोटा सा गांव था कि आप जैसे वॉक करने लगे तो एक दिन में आप पूरा गांव चक्कर लगा लेते थे और हर शख्स हर एक को जानता था. Thing I like about village life is that it's very simple, it's very basic, and it's very innocent. Different flowers and different shapes, they remind me of my mother and my father and all the people who are gone. When I miss them and I think that maybe they are coming in the shape of flowers,